Hey again. So today in this video we're gonna talk about, or I will gonna talk about the DJI motion control tool, which came with DJI Avata when I purchased it. And today I will gonna test all them buttons which are here. So we're gonna have a look what all of them can do. It's not rocket science, but we're gonna test it in house. Obviously outside it's a bit cold, and I don't really want to go outside today. Okay, so let's have a look. So I got the motion controller too, and I got the DJI Avata, and I got the goggles Integra. So let's switch them on, all of them, and let's link them together. Okay, cool. So I'm just switching on the drone as well. Okay, that's on. The last bit, I'm gonna switch on the motion controller. There you go, tap on, and now I'm gonna have to wait for all them three to link together. Alright, so once you linked them all together, we're gonna have to take off from the fly pad which I got, and we're gonna have a look and test all the buttons which DJI motion controller has them. So we're gonna put the goggles on. Well, as we all know, this is the speed, so how we call it. So as well, if you push it hard, you're gonna fly faster. If you push it slow, you're gonna fly slower. And this is basically, you're gonna move the drone on the sides, down, forward. It's pretty easy. I haven't tested all them other buttons, but we're gonna have a look now. So let's have a look. So to take off, I believe all you have to do, just press twice to hit the red button. And here you go, you can hear the motors have started. And now let's take off. And it says here, press and hold lock to take off. Or you can just move this button up. As you can see, as you've heard, the drone just took off, so you don't need to hold and press this red button or yellow button. And let's have a look at other buttons. So now we're gonna take off again, and let's have a look. As you can see, that's, so basically you can just, as you can see, this button is lifting up and this one is getting down, as you can see from the video. Okay, cool. And now, as I said, this is the speed. Right, let's move this drone from here. Oh, stop. Cool, so we're gonna keep the drone there. So I can, as I said before, this is the speed. So the harder you push it or you press it, the faster the drone will fly, which is like a trigger. This is basically, you're gonna lift the drone up and down, and we're gonna go on the side as well. This is the lock, so let's have a look what this lock we're gonna do. Okay, cool. So this is braking lock. So basically, if you press this yellow button, we're gonna brake the drone. So basically, the drone will gonna stop. Let's have a look. This button. All right. So this button on the side here, it's a basically shutter button, which you can start recording footage. Cool. Here you go. It's a bit uncomfortable to fly with motion controller, but I made it. So as I said, guys, so you got all the buttons, but is this one? This one is changing the sport mode, the manual mode, or sport mode and normal mode, and you can bring it down. If you, I believe if you're gonna keep it pressed, you're gonna bring the drone back home. It's pretty good. This well, this small wheel here meant to tilt the camera, and also you can change. If you're gonna press this button, it does have, so basically it's a wheel and also a button. So as you can see here, you can change the settings. At the moment it's set to auto, but you can change to manual, and then you can just change your ISO shutter speed and well, the white balance as well. This small wheel here, you can change or you can tilt the camera on your drone, and it also works as a button as well. So as I said, if you just press it, as you can see here, the bottom menu comes up, and you're gonna have to quit from the goggles. Here you go. Pretty interesting. It's not that complicated, this motion controller too. And well, said it's good for beginner people. You just start into FPV and you just purchase the DJI Avata motion controller. It's good start. I had the manual controller with me. I'm still aiming to learn more manual control. So let's gonna bring back the drone here. So once again, I'm gonna press twice with this. So as you can hear, the motors had just started. So to tilt your camera, you're gonna have to press and here you go. You're gonna have to press as well, and then just scroll it. So we're gonna bring John back in this room, and let's have a look how we're gonna fly. Cool. Oh my god. Let's try the speed a bit. So here we go, at the full speed, and as you can see here. Oops. Cool. And let's bring John back. Here you go. Here you go. Up. There you go. So in this video, as I said earlier, I've shown all the buttons on this motion controller too. So first of all, this you can just fly your drone and move the drone up, down, and sideways as well. If we're gonna press twice to these yellow buttons, we're gonna take off, and the drone is gonna start. This button, basically, you're gonna bring the drone back home. This is just tilting the camera, but you're gonna have to press so you can tilt the camera, as you can see here. What else? And that's it. So thank you for watching this video, and I really hope you've learned motion controller too. It's a very interesting piece of equipment, and it's good to have with you if you travel and you just started into FPV. But as I said before, I would still recommend to learn more flying in manual mode than using motion controller too. Anyway guys, thank you for watching the video. If you really enjoyed this video and learned something, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. This will gonna help my channel as well to create more videos in the future. And if you have any questions, just ask them below and I'm gonna reply to you as soon as possible. And thank you for watching again, and I'll see you next video.